Once upon a time, in a land of rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there was a small, peaceful village called Meadowgrove. The villagers lived in harmony with nature, tending to their crops and animals, and sharing stories of the magical creatures that dwelled in the nearby enchanted forest. Among the villagers was a young, adventurous girl named Lily. She had a heart full of curiosity and a spirit that longed for the thrill of discovery. Lily spent much of her time exploring the outskirts of the enchanted forest, hoping to catch a glimpse of the fabled magical beings that resided within. One day, while wandering near the edge of the forest, Lily stumbled upon a hidden path that she had never seen before. Unable to resist the allure of the unknown, she followed the winding trail, her heart pounding with excitement. As she ventured deeper into the forest, the air around her seemed to shimmer with magic. The trees towered above her, their branches adorned with flowers that glowed like lanterns in the dappled sunlight. The ground beneath her feet was carpeted with soft, velvety moss, and the sound of birdsong filled the air. Suddenly, a rustling in the underbrush caught Lily's attention. She froze, her eyes wide with anticipation, and waited for the source of the noise to reveal itself. To her amazement, a small, delicate creature emerged from the foliage. It had the body of a mouse, but its fur was a dazzling shade of blue, and it had wings like a butterfly. The creature, which Lily later learned was called a fey mouse, introduced itself as Lunar. Lunar explained that she had been sent by the queen of the enchanted forest to seek help from the humans of Meadowgrove. The forest, she said, was in grave danger. A dark sorcerer named Malachar had stolen the Crystal of Light, a powerful, ancient artifact that was the source of the forest's magic. Without the crystal, the enchanted forest would wither and die, and the magical creatures that called it home would be lost to the world forever. Lily, her heart swelling with determination, vowed to help Lunar and the queen of the enchanted forest. She knew that she couldn't do it alone, so she enlisted the help of her two best friends, a kind-hearted boy named Oliver and a brave, resourceful girl named Mia. Together, the three friends and Lunar embarked on a perilous journey to Malachar's fortress, which was located deep within the dark woods, a place where no human had ever dared to venture. Along the way, they encountered many challenges and obstacles, from treacherous terrain and dangerous creatures to enchanted puzzles and riddles. But with their unwavering courage, their boundless ingenuity, and their deep, abiding love for each other and the world they were fighting to protect, they overcame each and every one of those challenges. Finally, after many days and nights of travel, they arrived at the gates of Malachar's fortress. The walls of the stronghold loomed high above them, and the air was thick with the scent of dark magic. Lunar, who had been guiding them throughout their journey, revealed that she had a secret power. She was not only a fey mouse but also a guardian of the enchanted forest, imbued with the magic of the land. With her powers, she transformed into a magnificent, majestic creature, half lion and half eagle. Their four friends, riding on Lunar's back, soared over the walls of the fortress and into the heart of Malachar's lair. They battled the sorcerer's minions, evaded his traps, and finally confronted Malachar himself in a climactic, heart-pounding showdown. With their combined strength, their unbreakable bond, and the magic of Lunar, they were able to defeat Malachar and reclaim the Crystal of Light. The dark sorcerer, his powers vanquished, was banished from the land, never to be seen or heard from again. Their four friends, their mission complete, returned the Crystal of Light to the Queen of the Enchanted Forest. The forest, which had been slowly withering and dying, was restored to its former glory, and the magical creatures that called it home were saved. As a token of her gratitude, the Queen granted Lily, Oliver, and Mia a special gift. They were each given a small, glowing seed, imbued with the magic of the enchanted forest. The seeds, when planted and nurtured, would grow into magnificent trees, their branches and leaves shimmering with the magic of the land. The three friends returned to Meadowgrove, their hearts full of joy and wonder. They planted the seeds in a special grove, just outside the village, and tended to them with love and care. In time, the seeds grew into towering, majestic trees, their branches and leaves glowing like the stars in the night sky. The grove became a symbol of hope and magic, a place where the villagers of Meadowgrove could come to remember the power of friendship, the beauty of nature, and the enduring magic of the enchanted forest. And so, the story of Lily, Oliver, Mia, and Lunar, the four friends who saved the enchanted forest and brought magic to the world, was passed down from generation to generation, a tale of love, courage, and the power that lies within each and every one of us.